All right, interesting look this morning, kind of similar to yesterday, with the selling coming in later in the pre-market than it did yesterday. We had a slight gap fill up here. We had 21 million shares traded on the SPY yesterday, so for us SPX traders, it was a grind. And if you ever trade through a grind, let me drop her down to the 10-minute so you can see what I'm talking about. You know that even as you're catching candles, the theta is chewing it up because it takes a long time for those to move. And you can see the kind of choppiness that we had all day yesterday. So you could have held off of this low. This was a real trap yesterday. That happened right away at 8:50 a.m. Central, so be careful with those. This is an area we're sitting at right now, 598.21. Personally, I would wait for a break and a retest of this. And the reason for that is just because I don't think there's enough volume and power in the market to continue to send this down. And so you can see a trap set up real quickly right here, a little bit after the market opens, where it pulls underneath there and then it's right back up again. So a re-entry above that might be a long if you're interested in it. This is a market that, a really thin market during the holidays and therefore really hard to trade. There is some stuff that's catching fire. I looked at swinging a call on this last night. I should have, obviously. You can see what happened post-market after hours. This morning, it just took off right at the 3 a.m. I mean, right at the 6 a.m. Market open for pre-market trading. And just took off. I was looking at swinging the 15s on these. I didn't, just because of the volatility associated with it. I actually had a entry set up for down here that I was looking for that never got to last week. But the quantum stocks are running. Let me see what they're all doing pre-market here. Yep, look at them. These are all yesterday's closing prices, and I bet they're all up pre-market. QUBT up 117, IONQ, it's down a little bit. QMCO, wow, QMCO. One of our traders picked this quantum move out a few weeks ago, and it's just been killing it with them. I don't know which ones he owns precisely, but here's that's an ETF that tracks it. That's up 252, just craziness, right? But today, where do I like it? Potentially a break and a retest and push back up above here and take a long, because I think we're going to trade in this channel. But obviously, if I took a long on a break back above that, I would have my stop immediately under there, because it wouldn't surprise me either, because the market's pretty random, that it grinds its way down to 595.70, 595.50, somewhere in that area. As a long, as a short today. As a short, I'm not going to short anything in this channel here, right? Nothing that would be reflective up here. It would have to give me 602.50. Be the only place I would think about a short today on SPX. That's it. Good luck. A plus setup to go along for me. If it gives me that, is down here. It's just, the chart's just screaming at you right there. Boom. Boom, boom. A plus setup to go along. That's what I'm looking for as my ideal trade. I hope we get a chance to see it.